Welcome to another informative video brought to you by UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many operations and maintenance teams, namely idle time. We will be exploring what it means, how it differs from downtime, what causes it, and how to effectively minimize it. You'll also learn how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can help you manage idle time to optimize your team's productivity. So stay with us and gain insights that could transform your team's performance. Now on to our main topic, idle time. It's a term you might have heard before, especially if you're part of a maintenance or operations team. But what exactly does it mean? Well, idle time refers to the amount of time spent waiting to use viable equipment, or the non-productive time of employees due to lack of demand or unforeseen work stoppage. Picture this. You're on a manufacturing floor where many different products are made. Certain assets might sit idle while processes are performed with other assets, or maybe you're in a fast food setting where the latte machine sits idle during evening hours. It's not needed during that time, but it's up and ready just in case. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just downtime? Well, not exactly. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, distinguishes between idle time and downtime. Idle time is when an asset is waiting to run or isn't scheduled to run. Downtime, on the other hand, is when the asset is incapable of running, either because of planned maintenance or an unplanned outage. So why should we care about this distinction? Well, for one, you might be able to take advantage of idle time. It's the perfect time to perform preventive maintenance when your equipment isn't scheduled to run. This way, you're putting idle time to good use while reducing downtime. Another reason is that idle time doesn't really represent lost productivity, while downtime does. When you're looking to improve equipment reliability, you'll want to focus on reducing downtime, not idle time. But what causes idle time? Well, it's typically due to factors beyond our control. It can be caused by unexpected personal events, natural storms or disasters, unexpected equipment breakdowns, system failures, or simply lack of awareness. For example, new hires might not understand company protocols and procedures in their first few weeks, leading to idle time. So, what can we do to minimize idle time? Here are some strategies. First, clearly define what constitutes idle time. Data collection is key here. You need to know what data to capture and track. Next, improve your processes. Unexpected breakdowns and system failures are a major cause of idle time. By improving your processes, you can cut down on these surprises. Then train your employees. Make sure everyone knows what needs to be tracked and how to comply with any process changes. This reduces time spent trying to figure out what they should be doing. Also, set up a good preventive maintenance program. A well-constructed and maintained program is one of the best ways to optimize your business practices and reduce wasted time. Don't forget to maintain your equipment and care for your employees. When you do this, downtime decreases, and that time builds up quickly. Finally, monitor and track idle time. When you know where idle time is happening in your company, you can monitor and track it. This gives you insights into where the company can do better and decrease that amount. One of the best ways to achieve this is with a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. This software optimizes maintenance teams by encouraging process visibility and clarity, while simultaneously allowing you to easily find and manage idle time. So there you have it. Now you know what idle time is, why it's different from downtime, what causes it, and how to minimize it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.